Hey girls, this is Elisa with WTI. If you're looking for the perfect summer dress, check this out. This long sleeve boho dress by Maxigerui is the perfect addition to your summer wardrobe. This dress has the comfort you need to beat the heat. I love the vibrant color and the unique print. The material is super cool as well and lightweight, making it ideal for those hot summer days. And the best part is that it's super comfortable with an elastic waistband and sleeve. Plus, it accentuates your waist shape and adds a unique touch with the puff sleeves. And it's not see through. But if you're not a v neck lover, you can always wear it backwards, which is what I do sometimes. This dress is perfect for any occasion. You can wear it to a glamorous wedding, a beach party, or a romantic date night. I highly recommend it. I promise you will love it. So do me a favor and treat yourself to this unique dress this summer. And that's my point of view.